This was not just a visit. It felt like stepping into another world. In Thailand, I witnessed nature in its purest form. The tiger, powerful, fearless, commanding silence with every step. The Rangoon, calm, observant, living life at its own pace. The snake, silent, mysterious, reminding me that not everything needs to be loud to be strong. And the rabbit, gentle, soft, and full of quiet innocence. Different creatures, different energies, one shared space. Watching them made me realize something simple yet powerful. Nature doesn't compete, it coexists. Maybe that's the lesson we need the most. This is Thailand, and this is just the beginning. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.